welcome back to our channel. Today we're doing an unboxing of a product from a company called Truckclaws. This is their Truckclaws 2 small truck and SUV kit. We were asked to do an unboxing and a review of this product. Inside the box you'll see that there is a carrying bag for your Truckclaws, instructions on how they go onto your vehicle, a sticker, because who doesn't love stickers in the off-road world, and 2 Truckclaws. These Truckclaws consist of an aluminum extrusion and a crank strap with custom printing on it for the Truckclaws brand. Upon untying the strap, I noticed that the strap is extremely rugged and thicker than a standard crank strap. The Truckclaw is very strong aluminum, very well built. I'm looking forward to getting out on the trail and giving these a try. They say that they're recommended for mud, snow, and sand. Unfortunately, where we wheel, mud, we don't see very often. Snow, not at all, but we got lots of sand. So we'll take the Jeep out, see if we can get buried in the sand, put this on, and see what it does for us. Thanks for giving us a look today, and hopefully you come back for the next video.